Nike Dunk Low. Ostrich Skin 2025. Animal print will continue to appeal to a sizable portion of the consumer base regardless of the prevailing fashion trend. The headpiece features a number of unusual textures, such as a faux pony hair swoosh and an ostrich hide heel. Canvas makes up the toe box, which is paired with regular gray suede and pebbled white leather. The overall light bone, muslin and phantom color scheme is organically blended by the quarter panel's appearance in marbled cracked leather. Regarding the branded components, the tongue tag and backtab now have swoosh emblems in place of the word Nike. The design is complete underfoot with a brown gum outsole and a pre-yellowed midsole. Nike adds a blue, braided hangtag to the sneaker as if it needed more distinctive details. These are anticipated to go on sale for $120 on Nike.com and in stores during the summer of 2025.